Okay guys, welcome back. Welcome to FX between Forex Argo the code. My name is JD. Today I'm gonna show you guys a process I use when I'm going to enter the market, and I can use it on your side, guys. Basically what I do, I'm not going to do maritime frame analysis. No, I'm gonna show you guys every single day when I have direction, when I have everything, what I do just to find a good entry, guys. Something you can use, something easy for you guys that you can use on your side. What I focus on 4-hour time frame. I focus on 4-hour time frame. When I'm going to catch a continuation setup, I focus on 4-hour time frame. Just 4-hour candle. I just buy or sell 4-hour candlestick. Understand that? I just buy and sell 4-hour candlestick. As long as I know how the next 4-hour candle is gonna form or is gonna be formed, I'm gonna use that on my side, and I take opportunity as it forms. So you get it. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, and every time you watch my video, make sure you do what? Make sure you backtest it. Make sure you backtest the concept before you do anything. If you do not backtest it, if you do not have if you cannot find how it works on your side, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. So make sure you backtest. Make sure you backtest it before you try to trade it. So you understand that. So this is it. First thing I do, I wanna show you this type of key levels. You understand? Because in the marketplace, if you look at the candlesticks, you have to understand that the open and the close price sends message. The open price of the candle, your candle, the way it opens and the way it closes, sends message. So you have to understand that. So this time I'm going to show you a simple continuation method, and you also understand how FU forms, and then it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. So if you have two bearish candlestick, guys, make sure you understand the close price you have here. The close price you have here. For example, if this is bearish candle, make sure you understand, or make sure you can easily see this close price. This close price, I'm showing you the close of this candle. Make sure you understand that. Make sure you can see it. Just mark it the way it is, like this. If you have a bullish candle, a bullish move, a bullish trend, for example, make sure you understand the close price of this candle between these two candles, right? Make sure you put your line on the close of this bullish candlestick. So when a new candle starts, there will be high chance of seeing another 4-hour candle dropping down. For example, here, if you are bullish, dropping down, after dropping down here, and then you will see a candle trying to reject, trying to go higher. Of course it will be a bearish candle this time. Here it will be a bearish candle. It will be looking like this, right? So as it start reversing, it will be leaving a week behind. Hope you can see that. A week behind. Then it will become what? It will become a bullish candle. It will become a bullish it will become a bullish candle. Hope you understand. It will become a bullish candle. This becomes a bullish candle, guys. It will be looking like this. So if you go to the chart, you will see that you have a simple FU that was formed here. Manipulation signs that banks are joining the move. Banks are joining the move. Banks are joining the move. You will see this. Banks are joining the move. So your job is to buy here. Your job is to buy here on this level as it forms, guys. As it forms. Your job is to buy here as it forms. The same here. There will be a bullish candle forming on this level, on this line. Then price will be rejecting the zone, trying to go down. Of course, this will be a bearish candle. This will become a bearish candle. Like this. Then your job is to sell this manipulation as it forms. Remember, why do we say this manipulation? Most of the time, it's going to take the low of this candle, or it's going to take the high of this candle to perform what? To perform manipulation. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But understand your job is to catch the wick, the 4-hour wick, the 4-hour candle wick. So you understand. So before you take any trade here, once you see your setup and you see your price here, make sure you have checked economic calendar, because there can be some news events that may affect you. You understand? That's why I always recommend fast bull, guys. I always recommend fast bull, because fast bull provides you real data. Just this site here. You type fastbull.com right here, as you can see. Fastbull.com. The website is this, right? Try to use this site as much as possible. Just use it. Fastbull.com. Fastbull.com. Or you can type it in Google, Fastbull, and then you reach this site, and then of course you will be on home page. And then try to click on economic calendar and check what? Check economic events that are going to happen, that may affect your setup, that might affect the way market is going to move, right? So make sure on Fastbull you click on the economic calendar like this. Click on economic calendar right here, and then it will show you real data. Of course, when you click, a new window will open. Then go down. There will be a list of economic calendar, right? So here we have economic events. Try to click, or if you are going to scan, try to do what? Try to click on the screen. Just screen what you want. You understand? So you click on more. For example, me, I click on more, and then I make sure I check here high impact news, right? And then I can select. Most of the time when I'm going to trade gold, I make sure I choose USD, because US dollar will be affecting gold very much. So you can even check other data, kind of data you want. But me, when I'm going to trade the gold, I make sure that I choose USD, right? After that, after confirming, after choosing, then I confirm, and then I have my event here. actual forecast and previous, and then I have a time here. So you have to be prepared when time is around. You have to make sure you can, if you're going to trade news, you have to know you're going to trade news. If you're not going to trade the news, make sure you don't take any trade. Just take trade after news is released. But if you trade the news, if you're interested in the news, just it will be showing you your time data on the point. A good website that I love very much. I use it. You can also download the app and use it in your phone so that you can get quick data. So once you confirm that, you come here, you put your vertical line here, you put the vertical line in this candle, you bring a vertical line here and you put it here or here if you are going to do it, if you are going to buy or sell. So here, after that, immediately switch to 5 minutes. After 4-hour candle opens, switch to 5 minutes. Switch to 5 minutes. You have to obey the rules, guys. Switch to 5 minutes. So what you are going to look for, first of all, you have to look left to see if you can find a dealing range. A dealing range. Any swing low or swing high that took liquidity and broke a structure. Let's say you have a structure on the left that looks like this, and then your 4-hour candle start on this line. 4-hour candle start on this line. So you are on a 5 minute. On a 5 minute, this is the open of the candle, this vertical line, and then you see price dropping down, and it reaches what? It reaches your zone, right? It is dropping down to your zone, to your major low. Then you see a break of structure. You see a break of structure on 5 minutes. Any pullback you see, try to sell it, try to buy it or sell it depending on the setup. This is gonna be your entry here on the 5 minutes. But if you go to 4-hour, you will see that your entry will be here. Your entry will be here. Market will be rejected. This will be a sign. This break or structure will be a sign that market is going to reject this zone and it is ready to go higher. So get the point. If you are bearish, it will be the same. You do what? Price. This is the open price of the 4-hour candle, and then you look left. You see what? You see a major structure. They took liquidity and broke a structure. Then the 4-hour candle start on this level, and then you see price heading on the top using what? Using 5 minutes. And then once you see a break of structure, understand that the price is gonna go down. Understand that the price is gonna go down. So you can set this level. Just back test. If you are stopped out, try to understand why. Try to understand why. You get the point. You can put your stop loss here, or you can put it here. This is gonna be the safest zone. This is gonna be the safest zone, true stop. But for what time frame? If you need a small stop, you can use it. It can be high risk because it can be weak. But understand that it's gonna be a small stop. If you need a small stop on gold, for example, apply this on gold, guys. Test this on gold, better on gold, so you understand. So go and back test this using 4-hour and 5 minutes, and come back and thank me. This is a blessing. I will be releasing another video about this. Don't worry about this, because I'm using one setup continuation. I'll be talking about the reversals, so you get the point. So that's it, guys. That's it. Hope you truly understand. Hope you truly understand. So let's go to 4-hour. Let's go to 4-hour time frame, and I give you like 1 or 2 example. What I'm trying to talk about is this. let me use there will be different data from different brokers. You have to understand, and it's your job to test it, not me. I do it on my side, you have to do it on your side. Test different brokers and test the broker you use, and make sure you always have New York time. Make sure you have New York time. Then, like, if you look at my chart, I always have, on trading view, I have what? I have different brokers. Pepperstone, I have a Pepperstone. As you can see, I have forex.com. As you can see, I also have what? Network is not good, guys. I have a Wonder. You can also add Saxo. You can also use Saxo, and also IDC broker. You understand? XUUUSD. It's AUUSD. Trying to search gold, guys. Don't worry. And you can use another broker. You have different brokers, guys, and try to compare data. Hope you get the point. Try to compare data. I don't see why it's not loading very fast. Problem of network, guys. Problem of network. But what I'm trying to tell you, let's say, for example, let's say a simple sample here. Let's say, for example, let's say market is trending down and I want to join the move. Try to look at here. You have one zone here, one zone here. Sometimes the weak high will be taken or not, but what matters is this: understand the close price. Understand the close price. Just here, let me add don't worry, guys, just watch carefully. Let me apply strong magnet that I can truly put a line on the close price. You can see yourself. So your job is to sell this high, What I'm showing you bearish move. You can apply it on bullish move. Look at here. So your job is do what? Your job is to sell this high. Your job is to sell this high, guys. Then I'm gonna put a vertical line here, and then I'm gonna put another vertical line in this candle, just the opening of 4-hour candle. And to test, I'm going to check on 5 minutes. Let's check on 5 minutes and see. And this is what I'm trying to show you, guys. This is what I'm trying to show you. This is what I'm trying to show you, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is something I back tested, guys. This is something I back tested. You have to understand that something I back test very much, and you can do the same. This is the beginning of a 4-hour candle. Let's zoom in there. The beginning of a 4-hour candle. This is the open of the 4-hour candle. Then try to look left. Try to look left. So this is the open. Try to look left. Here. What do you have? You have a structure that took liquidity on this level. It took liquidity here. After taking liquidity, we got a break of structure. So you have a true range. You have a true range. Now after that, you can calculate 50% of this range, premium and discount. This is 50% of your range. Then you can see all liquidities here that are likely to be taken by this candle, as you can see. Then after market is reaching this premium zone of your range, then you see what? You see 4-hour candle breaking structure on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes. Sometimes you may not see a range here, but what matters most, at least try to see 4-hour candle breaking structure in your trend. Breaking structure in your trend. After this break, you will see a pullback forming. You will see a pullback forming. After seeing a pullback, just do what? Just perform a sell. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Gold doesn't have a time to wait for you. Gold doesn't have a time to wait for you. 5 pips of stop loss, or if you need safest, you can put your stop loss above. This will be 17 pips, but for me, I will be here 6, 5, something like that. This is gonna be your entry in a trending market like gold. Entry like gold in a trending market. A trending market. So the same here. For example, here you can see you don't have a clear range on this level, as you can see, but here it was trying to form it. This will depend on the kind of structure. This will depend on kind of structure. You have to be very flexible. Then look at the open price. You know your zone. The secret is your vertical line. This will help you see the behavior of the open price. Use 5 minutes on 4 hour. Use 5 minutes on 4 hour. Then you see what? Then you see a break or structure is formed. Please confirm a break or structure. If you don't confirm a break or structure, you can be stopped out. Then after that, you see price is creating a pullback. This is 4-hour candle, and then you do what? You enter. Then you enter. You take your short position. You take your short position. Your stop loss is gonna be here. It's gonna be here. 14 pips of stop loss, or 50 or 10, maybe, if you know how, if you can decrease it. But here you have what? 15 pips of stop loss. If you need the safest one, go for 50 pips, or you see you have what? You see you have we have a for 39. You can use what? You can use 15 pips of stop loss, and then you ride the trend. And then you ride what? You ride the trend. Hope this is helping you guys. Did you subscribe? Make sure you subscribe, guys. Right? So make sure you confirm the news here before you take a trade. So you make sure you have a fast bull open in your eyes, in front of your eyes, before you do anything. Before you do anything, make sure you have fast bull open before you do anything. So this is it. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. You can test it, you can back test it on your side, and it will help you. And I use it very much. I use it very much. So guys, I will be dropping another video. I'll be creating like other videos about this so that you can fully understand this. But make sure you got the chart in the back. Don't do what? Don't trade it on live account. Make sure you first of all go back in the history and you try to back test this. Try to back test this. Hope you understand. Thank you guys. Make sure subscribe. Make sure you follow us on our Telegram. We have all links in our video description. Check there, click there, follow us on our social media so that we can stay together. Until next time guys, good luck and good trading.